Hi everyone, I hope you're all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Cardano once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Thank you for sharing the content, liking the video, and your comments as well. Thank you, okay? So right now, Cardano, just like everything else, is shit the bed basically, and you come down and you've actually bounced off this 149, this level of support which I gave you, okay? You got this resistance, and like I said to you, on the daily, always have it in the back of your mind, okay? If you break through a level of resistance, you do usually come back to that support. We do need some research on this, okay? Because when we're coming up, I always see it come back to its support. Not all the time, but it's there. It's always in the back of your mind. You're going to come back to it because you've melted through it on the daily. Just there. And look, we come all the way up there, we rolled over, and we eventually come down, and we found support on it right now. I've had a little wick down on 149.5525 basically, and we're holding it as support at the moment. So what we do need to see, if we can continue to hold this as support, this would be amazing, okay? We do need to get the close above the 0618 today, so you do need to see a pickup, because if you do close below that fib, like I said to you, then you're giving more of a precursor to coming down to the next fib. Do you understand that? So you've got to get the close above, you've got to hold it and back test the support, coil up, create some reversal pattern, and then get out of here basically. Break this level of resistance just there that you're under for Cardano. Just like this resistance coming down, oh no, it's going to zero, and then you broke out eventually, leading to a beautiful impulsive move to the upside, okay? So that's what we're looking for. One thing is the RSI, okay? Look where the RSI is. I said to you yesterday on the daily time frame, when the RSI forms out the purple box, that's always a fantastic entry point for Cardano. You've bounced off a key level of support at the moment, you're holding it. Potentially this could be the low, okay? You might not come down any lower than that. So it's all about getting this close today above this particular level of support. So you want to see the daily close above 156, get back above, hold, create a reversal pattern, and on our lows in basically, and we've nailed it, absolutely nailed it, okay? I see people saying you got a crystal ball. It's not, honestly. The whole thing, I've taught you this, it's a game of support and resistance, okay, and Fibonacci. Don't overcomplicate things. It's just a game of support and resistance. You lose key level support, you come down to the next support. You lose that support, you come down to the next support, and that's how it works, okay? And you can trade in between. So right now, I did say to you, look, there's a fantastic little short opportunity from there to there, okay? And that's been fruitful. Look at that. So from there to there, beautiful little short. Close it, boom, 16%. Job done. You know, now open a little long with stop loss. If you get the bounce here and it starts to pick up, wow, what a long opportunity that is. Your size in the floor, and on the weekly time frame, you're creating a whopping hidden bullish divergence here. Look at that. You've got the close there, and you're getting the close here basically bouncing off 55 and this trend line that I've given you. If you start to pick up here, you're getting that hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. Wow. You know, the low's in, and we're looking to continue and break out here and have that explosive year end. Because for me, you know, this particular crash today has been a little bit pushed because of this particular news that's come out just there. You know, the FTSE 100 tumbles and oil hits 2-month low as new COVID variant fears hit the markets. Again, let me stipulate, this is not a corona dump. Basically, a corona dump is a black swan event, you know, an unforeseeable black swan event. And the reason we had that corona dump is because the whole world went into lockdown. Look, there's your corona dump in 2020. Rolls, capitulation, but look at the V-shaped recovery anyway. So even if we do get something like that, what an amazing recovery we're going to get, because you're in a bull market. Do you understand that? So that's basically a little bit of an update on Cardano. Fear not, we're actually coming down to a key level support. We're holding a 55 on the weekly, which is amazing. We've not backtested that 55 since... Ignore that wick there, since way back there, September last year is the last time we touched a 55. You know, that's an amazing level of support. You can see how that comes down, hold supports, continuation. Just here, you've got a high, high low, and a high low. Job done. You're still bullish. It's looking amazing. I know you think it isn't, and like you're scratching your head, and I see some of the comments, how do you think we're still bullish? But you are. You're holding structure. And if you can't see that, then you need to put your glasses on, you know. You're in a bull market. You are until you're not, basically. One key level support for me that I think if you do start to roll here, loses 786 could get quite nasty, and especially this here, this low. If you do start to come down, you know, and you do start to lose that, then yes, you are rolling here, and you're entering the bear, and you're losing that low, and you can see you've lost structure. But right now, you're holding structure with a continuation of trend. You're in the floor in the RSI on the daily, which I've shown you so many times just here for Cardano. In the floor on the daily time frame, and the RSI offers optimal entry points. Look at that. Boom. Let's move to the left. Let's look at this, okay? In the floor, outside of the purple box, boom. Just there, Corona. Look at that. Outside the purple box, boom. Just there. Look at that. Outside the box, picked up, boom. See you later. Just there. Outside the purple box, boom. See you later. So you're basically in the floor. You're creating a whopping hidden bullish divergence, on the weekly time frame as well. So perhaps the low is in. You know, it would be nice to think it is. Perhaps it is. Not got a crystal ball. You're getting a little bit extended on the EMAs as well, which is always a telltale sign that you slow down in whatever trend you're doing. Whether you're going up, you slow down, consolidate, allow the EMAs to creep back up with you, which is what you did here. You were getting overextended here, and you went sideways, got the rejection off the EMAs, and then you rolled again. So I'm not saying the bottom's in, but it's very, very close, isn't it? You know, looking at the technicals, it is very, very close to being in, basically, for Cardano moving forward. So again, not got a crystal ball. You know, there's no guarantees, there's no, you know, time machine or anything like that. There's no certainties. That's what I'm trying to say. And nothing I say is financial advice. It's for educational entertainment purposes only. But you know, sometimes in life you get these opportunities and you look back and think, why was it sitting on my hands, basically? But again, not financial advice. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Cardano. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.